Hello everyone. Good day to everyone. My name is Shakil Ahmed. I am dealing with statistics subject. So today we are going to deal with bridge course session for statistics. So before I could start the session, let me welcome you all for St. Joseph PU College, Bijapur for the academic year 2021-2021. Okay. So as we are dealing subject statistics and bridge course for statistics, right? So let me toss a question for all of you. Why bridge course is needed and what is the meaning of bridge course? Let me put a question to you all. Let me explain. What is the bridge course? Can anybody explain me? Anybody? Okay, let me explain you. So bridge course will act as a medium between two different points to connect from high school to your college. Without knowing basics of your previous studies, going forward to the higher studies, it won't be possible to carry forward, or it will find a difficulty to pursue a higher course like from the 10th. Either it may be diploma, or it could be ITI, or it could be PUC. So that is why your bridge course will act as a connecting medium to your SSLC to the college. Got everyone? This is the purpose of bridge course. It could be any subject, whether it could be physics, whether it could be mathematics, whether it could be economics, or let take my subject as statistics. Okay, so you all of you know what is the purpose of bridge course and why it is needed, okay, before you are going to the high school to the college. That is then significance I just taught about you. Now let me start. Before I going to jump into the subject, let me know how origin of statistics has happened and its developments taken place. Okay, so how origin will take place. Okay, the word statistics has derived from German word status and Latin word statistic and French word statistique. All these words give one meaning, that is state or political state. Got? State or political state. Thus statistics associated with administrative affairs of a state. Okay, thus statistics is associated with administrative affairs of a state. For any efficient administration for the government, it requires facts and figures. Facts and figures could be like food production, population, defense, right? These all called facts, and associated with that facts there are numbers associated. So that is why those are called facts and figures. So I said they could be food production, they could be, right, population, that could be import, exports, anything. For example, if I take okay, defense force. Okay, how many defense force we have? If you categorize defense force, then we'll be having three different categories of defense force. First one is, if you take, it is naval, then air, then land. These are the different categories of defense force associated with we have in lakhs. Okay, so might be I don't know, I'm some assuming figures I'm taking here. Naval could be some 3 lakhs, assume that. Air could be 2 lakh, land maybe some 8 lakh. So all on an average we have around 13 lakhs of our defense force. So defense force acts as a fact. Facts and figures were called as statistics. Facts and figures were called as statistics. So defense force is a fact, and figures associated that facts, the figures are called statistics. Facts and figures were called statistics. Facts and associated with the figures are called statistics. This is how the word statistics came into existence. So now development of how statistic has been taken place. So in subsequent there are different methods with which earlier the collection of data may be simple, and later on these methods underwent changes and become more scientific. So the gradual improvement shown in the process of dealing with facts and figures resulted in the independent branch of statistics. Independent branch of statistics. What is independent branch? Independent branch of statistics. So statistics was developed as a independent branch of statistics. Earlier it was just facts and figures. So those facts and figures were called statistics, and these dealing with the facts and figures went changes and became more scientific. The gradual improvement shown in the process of dealing with facts and figures resulted in the independent branch of science called statistics. Independent branch of science called statistics, right? This is how the statistics, we came to know that how the origin has taken place, through which and all words statistics has been derived, how it will become an independent branch of statistics. So which and all words we have seen. So Latin word status, German word statistic, and French word statistique. All these words give one meaning, that is state or political state, related to administrative affairs of state. Okay, fine. So these are the some broad terminologies through which we came to know that how statistics is been originated, how statistics has been developed. There are, in ancient time also, the official and administrative statistics was facts and figures was existed during the 2000 years ago also. From the Kautilya's Arthashastra, it is known that during the period of Chandragupta Maurya, registration of birth was in practice in 2000 years ago. Similarly, in the book of Ain-e-Akbari written by Abu Fazl, reported in 1596, it is reported that during the period of Akbar also statistical surveys were conducted. So I try to tell you that the word statistics was not a new word. This is also not a new word. It was used long ago, 2000 years back also. The word statistics was existed, and there were practices of collecting data was there, like birth registration was in practice during the Chandragupta Maurya's period, and statistical surveys were conducted during the period of Akbar. So he want to know the his civilians satisfaction. So through the statistical surveys, he want to know how the civilians or his civilian people are satisfied with his kingship. So these were the statistical surveys. Data collection was there during 2000 years before. So this is about the origin of statistics. Now the subsequent changes in the statistics has been taken place, and gradual improvement in the statistics resulted in the development of independent branch of science called statistics. There were scientists who took statistics into further more, like James Bernoulli will be the responsible person who made theory of games probability into the developments of statistics. So James Bernoulli will be the responsible person to develop theory of probability, and later on there are many scientists like De Moivre, Laplace, Gauss. They went on discovering different uses of statistics, significance, and one of the scientists called Sir A. Reynold Fisher is called as father of modern statistics. He did lot of inventions, he developed theories. Moreover, he developed and demonstrated the use of various statistical techniques in the field of applications of statistics, like in agriculture, in science, in biostatistics, in insurance, in many of the fields. That is why he is being called as father of modern statistics. Likewise, in India also we called P.C. Mahaldobis as father of Indian statistics. This is all about origin and development of statistics. Further, we'll going to deal with in detail about the concept of statistics, that is the description of data. In the next class, I'll going to present you about the four units included in one main broad unit, that is called description of data. Thank you. So we'll going to see in the next session.